Julius. So we got the question answered by the district on how they're going to terminate the single ply on top of these parapet walls. We're going to come up over, terminate here with a water block and turn bar, along with the trim seal pro on top of that, encapsulated with another high temp peel and stick on the turn bar, draped over to counter on their Z-bar here. And then we're going to refasten the holes coming off the coping metal with either bigger pop rivets, or I believe we might go with a exposed fasteners, just to give it more a little oomph. So you can see, oh, is that not a pop rivet hole? Oh, never mind. Excuse my ignorance. There she is. So